Hey guys, so sorry for the messy desk, but here is a quick video on how to put together the M16 pin kit. So once you've done this once, it's actually not very difficult at all, but the first thing you want to do is you want to take both of your little small white plastic pieces here. One of them is going to have threads at the top, and you want to use that one as your top piece, and you want to slide the second piece into that. That's what's going to make the click mechanism. So you got your threads on the top like that. The next step on this is you can take your actual clip piece and you're going to insert the plastic piece that you just put together, and you're going to insert that fully into the clip piece. Once you've done with that, there's two springs. You want to get the larger spring and you want to insert it into the back of the clip, and then get ready to use your actual click mechanism next. That'll go in. You'll want to hold that upside down like that. Put your refill in to hold those plastic pieces, and then you're going to just screw the clip mechanism into those threads that were on that plastic piece. At that point, you've got the click mechanism completely put together. All you do then is you're going to press that side of the tube in like normal. You'll press the front side of the tube in like normal. When you insert your ink cartridge, make sure you put that second spring on the end of the ink cartridge here like you would on any other pin kit. And that's it. So if you'll follow those steps, you should have no problem. Reach out to me if you got any questions, guys.